Welcome to this course on organizational behavior. I am Dr. MP Ganesh. I am a faculty in the Department of Liberal Arts, IIT Hyderabad. I've been teaching this course for the past 6-7 years, and I've been a teacher of organizational behavior and management for the past 10 years. So my areas of interest include workplace behavior, team dynamics, virtual teams, ethical behavior in workplace, things like that. So this is about me. And what is this course all about? So this course is about understanding people at workplace or workspace. So you must be wondering, what is the difference, workplace and workspace? So these are some of the kind of ideas we are going to talk about in this course. To put it very simple, you would have had questions like, what kind of job would suit me? Or if you're a working professional, you will be asking questions like, why am I bored sometimes in work? Or why is this job very boring to me? Other questions like, what kind of organizations are able to retain their employees better than other organizations? Why certain teams are more effective and productive than other teams? What leads to conflict between people and within groups? So these are some of the questions we get on a day-to-day basis. So this course is about understanding these questions and trying to find answers for these questions. But how can we do it? I'm going to help you answer these questions using certain concepts, frameworks, and theoretical models. Please don't get panicked by these technical terms. So what I'm trying to say is, social sciences, especially disciplines like psychology, sociology, anthropology, as disciplines which try to understand people in larger groups, have given many concepts and ideas and theories to help understand what is happening around us in the society, in the organization, within individual, things like that. So in this course, I'm going to help you understand some of these concepts. I'm going to give you some of these concepts and theories so that these questions can be answered. Okay. So what is the outline of the course, or what are we going to look at specifically in this course? So usually in the discipline of organizational behavior, we look at three major areas. 1, individual behavioral dynamics. 2, interpersonal group dynamics. And 3, organizational dynamics. So I'll explain what are these three areas. Individual behavior dynamics denote the individual factors or things within an individual which affects his or her work behavior. So ideas like perception, how people look at things in workplace, or what kind of attitudes they form in workplace. For example, attitudes like job satisfaction, attitude like prejudice towards others, attitude like stereotyping, and how are these factors influence work. Ideas like personality, are certain people fit into certain jobs better than others, or is there anything like job person fit? If it is so, what kind of people perform better in certain jobs? So these are some of the ideas in individual behavioral dynamics. In interpersonal and group dynamics, we are going to look at things like what makes people more trustworthy. Certain people are more trustworthy than others. Or within a team, what is the role of trust in influencing their work or team effectiveness? What kind of people help others? Or how can we make people cooperate in teams? And what leads to conflict? What leads to power, or what gives power to individuals? Why certain kind of leaders are more efficient than others, or what makes people leaders? So ideas like this we are going to discuss in interpersonal and group dynamics. In the organizational dynamics, we are going to look at the larger macro picture, where we will look at ideas like organizational culture, change management, organizational structure. So questions pertaining to this are, why certain organizations people find it very happy to work, or what makes an organization a best place to work? What happens when a new change initiative is introduced in an organization, what kind of people are able to adapt to change, and in what ways does job definition or job description helps people perform better in the organization. So these are some of the concepts which we'll see in organizational dynamics. So broadly, like I said, these three areas we will cover in this course. Okay. So having said that, I hope I've created some level of interest in this course. If you are interested, you might be thinking about taking this course or watching the entire set of videos which are going to follow from now on. But specifically, who will benefit from this course? Ideally, whoever understands English, and if you have an access to internet, and these are psychology course related lectures, organizational psychology related lectures. So you will certainly enjoy this lecture. So anybody who's fulfilling this criteria will enjoy this course or benefit from the course. But specifically for your certification, who should take this course? One, if you are a student of a management degree, either BBA or MBA, or if you're doing a certificate course in human resource management or certificate course in management, you will benefit from this course, the certificate you get from this course. Because most of these courses, organizational behavior is a compulsory course or a core course. Two, if you're a student of a psychology degree, either a BSc degree, MSc degree, BSc in psychology, MSc in psychology, or BSc in human resource psychology, you will certainly benefit from this certification. Three, if you're a working professional, either a HR professional or any other job designation or a job role, you will certainly benefit from this course. One, as an intellectual pursuit, this course will help you understand what is happening around you in your organization better. It will help you manage your team better, motivate your subordinates better, and also, of course, a certificate will benefit you in your career. A certificate from IIT will certainly benefit you. Okay. So this is all about the introduction about this course. I hope you will enjoy this course. I hope you will benefit from the course. In fact, I'm also looking forward to meet you in this virtual platform. I'm sure I will also benefit from this course by handling this course, because this is the first time I'm offering it online in a virtual medium platform. So it's going to be a wonderful learning for all of us. Good day and see you soon. Bye.